Hello dears, today we are studying about the topic factors. Okay, so the previous class we learned about the multiples of a number. So this is about factors. So what is the difference between multiples and factors? Okay, so multiples is actually when we multiply a number with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's like that numbers, we will get the multiples of the number. Factors is somewhat different. When we divide a number, if it leaves a remainder 0, that means when we divide a number, we are getting remainder 0. It is called that number is the factor of that number. I will explain it. For example, take number 6. Okay, I am going to divide the 6 with 3. Okay, so 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. So how many times of 3 is 6? 1 3s are 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Here we can see that 3 is a factor. 3 is a factor of 6. Because when we divide 6 with 3, we got a remainder as what? 0. Then we can say it as, we can call it as 3 is a factor of 6. Factor of 6. Okay. Like that, if you divide 6 with 2, when you divide 6 with 2, 6 by 2, 3 2s are 6, again you will get 0. Here also we can see that 2 is a factor of 6, because when we divide 6 with 2, it's by 2, you will get a remainder 0. That kind of things. Or when we divide a number with another number, if it is getting remainder 0 means then this number is a factor of this number. Understand? So that is the thing. So okay, shall we check with 4? 6 divided by 4. 6 by 4. So 6 by 4. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So we cannot write 2 4s are 8. Okay. 1 4s are 4. Then only we can subtract. Isn't it? 6 minus 4, 2 we get. That means it leaves a remainder 2, not a 0. That means 4 is not a factor of what? 6. Understand? So what are the factors of 6? Shall we write the factors? Okay. Now we are going to write. So now do you understand what is the factor? Factors of a number means when we divide that number with this number, if it is leaving a remainder 0 means then this number will be the factor of what that number. Okay. So if we are dividing a number with another number, if it is leaving a remainder, then this is not the factor. Okay. So that is the thing here. Then number I took the what for example it is 6. So here what are the factors? This thing you must know that every time the number and 1 is always the factors. Understand? The number and 1 is the factor of all the numbers, and that number 2. We can divide 6 by 6. Isn't it? 1 6 are 6. Then you get a 0. Understand? Isn't it? If you are dividing 6 with 1, you will get a 6. 6 1 6 are 0. That means always what are the number and the 1 should be their factors. Understand? If another number 32 it is given as, means 1 and 32 you can write as its factor. You can very easily write, because 1 is the factor for all the numbers, and the number that is given for you, that is always its factor. Okay. Then what are other factors? Now just before we see 2 and 3 is the factor of that one. Okay. So how can we write in another simple method? So 1 into 6 we can write. Isn't it? 1 into 6 is 6. 1 6 are 6. Okay. Then can we write the 6 in the multiple of 2? Can we check it? Can we write that way? 2 into 3 is 6. Understand? This is the way we are actually, if you are following this method, you can easily write the factors of the number. Now I am showing how can you write the factors. Just take just write the multiple of this number 6. Then you can write the factors from that one. Okay. First you write 1 into 6. Okay. 1 6. Then check can we write the multiple of 2? Can we write? Yes, we can write 2 into 3 is 6. Okay. Then what is, can we write as 3 into 2? Yes, 3 2s are 6, but it is repeating. So if any step is repeating, just stop in that step, before that step. You can see that we already write 2 into 3. Now it is 3 into 2 we are going to check, but 3 is already repeated here. So just stop there. These are only the factors. So what are the factors of 6? Factors you can write it as, okay, 1 is there, 6 is there. That always should be there. Then in addition to 2 and 3 is there. So these are the factors of 6. And I'll write another number, okay. Just take the another number. I'm taking 12. Write the factors of 12, okay. So first 1 into 12 we write. 1 into 12 we wrote, okay. Now take which number? Can we write 2 into? Yes, we can write it. 2 into how many? 2 6 are 12, isn't it? 2 6. Now can we write 3? Yes. 1 3s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Okay, 3 4s are 12. Now 1 2 3. Next is what? 4. We can write 4 into, but 4 is already repeated here. So just stop there. Okay, that much only. Okay. Now we don't need to write. If any number is repeating, okay, you can stop there and you can write the factors as factors. Okay, 1 is there, 12 is there, 2 is there, 6 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there. So these are the factors of what? 12. Okay, one more I will take. 16. 16. Okay, 16 how can we write it? 1 into 16. Now 2 into 2 is how many times of 2 is 16. Okay, 2 8s are 16. If you have any doubts in how many times of 2 is 16, just divide 16 with 2. Okay, then you can see that 8 2 are 16. So write that 2 is there. Okay, any doubt in how many times of that number is this number, means just divide this number with this one, then you will get how many times is that. 2 8s are 16. Now 3 is not there, isn't it? 3 is stable, 16 is not coming. So 3, just leave 3. So 1 2s are 3, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 15 isn't it? 3 6 are 18. So 16 is not coming. Just take a 4, isn't it? Now 4 means 4 4s are 16, isn't it? 4 4s are 16, isn't it? 3 is not there. Then 5 stability is not there because 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, isn't it? Then 5 means 6 table also it is not coming. Then 7 table is not coming, isn't it? 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14 it comes. Then 7 after 7 means it is 8 it is already repeated here, isn't it? 8 because 8 2s are 16, 2 8s are 16 we already wrote. So 4 4s are that means up to that number we don't have any factors, isn't it? 4 after 4 5 is not there, 6 is not there, 7 is not there. Now it is only 8. So it is repeating, so we can write we are having only this much factors, isn't it? This one now going to repeat, so that we don't need to write because we already written there. So these are the factors. Which are the factors? 1 is there, 16 is there, 2 is there, 8 is there, and 4. Only 1 4 we have to write. Only 4 is the factor. So these are the factors of 16. So this is the way we are writing. I am taking a bigger number. Okay, then I will show you. 36 if we are writing. Okay, 1 into 36. 2 into how many times of 2 is 36? You maybe get confused how many times of this 2 is 36. And then what you have to do is how many times we don't know. This times of a number is what are 36, isn't it? So we need to find out. We can find out that by dividing the 36 by 2. Then you will get its times. 36 by 2 means 1 2s are 2, 3 minus 2, 1 you will get. Then it 6 comes here. 8 2s are 16. Okay. Then when you subtract it, you will get 0. Okay. So what is the answer? 18 you get. So 2 into 18 is 60. Very simple, isn't it? So if you don't know how many times of a number, just multiply, just divide that number with this one. Then 3 how many times? 3 how many times also we just actually 3 into 12 it is that, but if you don't know how we are getting this one, just divide 36 by what? This 3. Then you will get how many times of 3 is what? 36. So 3 by 3. 1 you will get okay, 1 3s are 3. Then you will get 0. Then 6 comes here. 2 3s are 6, 0. How many times? 12 times 3, 12. Got it? Now, okay, now 4, isn't it? 4 is there. 4 table, 4 9s are 4 table, you know, 4 9s are 36. If you don't know, also just divide it. Okay, that is by 4. 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. Okay. Now 5 table because it won't come, isn't it? 7 5s are 35. It won't come. We must know the tables. Okay. 5's table it is not there. So 1 2 3 4 we got a 5's. We have to take a 5 we are not getting. Then 6. 6 table is there. 6 6 are 36. Isn't it? 6 6 are 36. So 6 is there. Then 7. 7 is not coming. 7 3 7 are 21. 28. Then 35. Isn't it? So we don't get it in the 7th table. Then it is 8th table. 8th table we have to check. 8th table 3 4 are 24. Then the what will get 32 40. So in 8th table you don't get it. Then which is this number? Then it is 9. Isn't it? 9 4s are again 46. But we already see that the 4 into 9 is 36. Isn't it? So it is now repeating. So we can stop here. Okay, we have to stop on this step because we don't need to write, because if any number comes repetition, then before that step we have to take. That step we don't need to write. Okay. So up to this one it is the factors. Understand? So we checked with the 1s, 2, 3s and 4, 5 it is not there. Then 6, 7 tables it is not there. Then 8 we checked there. Then it comes to 9. 9 4s are 36. We already wrote. And what are the factors of this 36? 1 is there, 36 is there. That number is it is always it is there. Then 2 and 18. Then 3 it is there. Then 12 is there. Then 4 is there. Isn't it? 9 is there. Then what is last one? 6. So these are the factors of 36. Okay. So hope you understood these things. Okay. So just follow this. So these are the factors. That means when we divide this 36 by these numbers, it will always leave the remainder 0. Got it? We can divide this, but fully this 36 or fully this number. Okay? There does not leave any remainder. We will always get just check if you are dividing this 36 with any of this number, you will get always remainder 0. That is called the factor. So that's all for today. Thank you.